welcome to the vlog. We have our friend the octopus with us and
plushy toy
ready. Our coffees, this is Sophie's, insert Sophie. So the plan for today is we're going to Austin for the night / weekend / whatever because it is our friend Brittany's graduation. So I got her a little present from work yesterday and I got her necklace, so I hope she likes it. And we don't really have plans except for we're gonna go to Barton Springs. And where else are we going? Dinner. And we have an Airbnb rented. That's about it.
Guess who's gonna die?
Stay tuned
What can you
for
do?
more.
For more.
Okay. We're at Buc-ee's and I got some meat and cheese and pretzels. We got some snacks. And now we're about to go look at the drinks. So we need to get alcohol and we also need to get regular drinks, probably. Like a twisted tea. We can't find Connor.
I can't see him.
We can't find anybody. I mean,
Anybody.
I don't know.
Right here.
Finally. Oh my god. Hello. What are we getting?
What is this? The wand. It's a wine purifier. What does that mean?
I don't know. Just in case if you have toilet water in your wine. I don't know. Okay, so we just got out of Buc-ee's and we got some buzz balls and they started asking us about our age because we literally are like, we look 12 right now.
Discriminatory.
Did they ask you?
Yeah, that's all of us.
I told her I was 17 and she winked at me.
This is 21.
I said,
That person's gas cap is open. Yikers.
that was really depressing.
Okay, we're back. We're back.
Jerky.
Oh, twins. You got so much.
Nutty bites.
We're not even moving.
It's a 3-minute long video of nothing. So we made it to Austin.
Whoa. What is that?
I'll just pull up a side by side. Cheers.
Dog with a vlog.
Cheers to getting here and not dying. Yay. Walking down the stairs back to the car. We are gonna drive kinda pretty far.
It's a sober zone, so basically everyone here is depressed.
Or children.
But, or children. But there's a diving board, so that kind of makes up for it. I'll look for Brittany now. A bridge, she's next to a bridge.
She's probably over there.
On the other side.
I don't know, maybe. Okay. We made it. Yeah. And we're back.
Water's cold,
It's very cool.
company is warm.
And,
Always.
and I don't know. This is what it looks like.
This is what
Wow.
I think we're all just a little tired. It's been a long day. Okay, well now we're leaving. Oh. What's going on? But we're claiming a room right now, so we have to get our stuff.
nerve-wracking.
We've just been in the car like, oh, look at the sky, bro. We're taking a nap or whatever. There's no explanation for these clips.
What it is.
Let's take a nap. Let's take a nap. It's just like insanity.
Well, it's 7 p.m. and I've reached my party limit.
It's 7 p.m.
It's giving flop.
So Russell's here now. And Conrad. And
Right at the top of this guy. There she goes.
Vlog moment.
Either that or go to the
We made it.
Oh, wow.
Hello. 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 Everybody's here. Say hello.
Oh, how do you make it? Foil.
Snowboards. So we're just chilling.
We're going to bed
We're going to bed because
because we care about our bodies.
I've been driving all day. My tummy is full and I'm ready for sleep. We'll check in tomorrow. So, we're awake. I don't know why. We're probably. I
For
don't.
8 hours.
Are you comfortable?
What was it? Oh. When the camera comes on, I'm like,
Oh my god. We decided to come to picnic because Sophie has never been here and she's gluten-free and this place is primarily gluten-free, which is kind of cool. And that's the tea. Okay, but they also opened one recently in Houston that we've been meaning to go to. So
this is good. We'll go to that probably a lot.
yeah, exactly. It's like 5 minutes away from where we are at home. Yeah. Picnic was good. This is what my taco looks like.
This is what my potato looks like.
Very good.
Boop! We're going to the secret entrance.
Oh, it is a secret.
Guess what?
We found Julia in Bentley. And now we just got done at Waterloo. And now we're going across the street to go to the bookstore. And Connor got some records. Woo! Now we're walking back to the car. What's new, folks? It's the same, different. What? PSA! These are the best gummy bears ever. I found these at the airport originally for $8 and we just found them at a gas station for $3.
From Albania. I call it Albania. They're very good.
If you didn't know, these are it.
That's it. A lot better than
The gummy bear.
Haribo gummy bear. I fucking spit on Haribo gummy bears so hard and tough on your teeth. And they try to trick you with the packaging and the commercials. But Albanese is where it's at. They're soft, they're chewy, they're yummy.
They don't really dry out. The most moist you will find.
No,
We're on the way home now, and we're gonna go get
My snacks.
her dog. We're gonna get your dog.
Yes, Scipio, I'm coming for you, my son.
And then the trip is over. But this friendship,
Will last a long time.
is also coming too. Stay tuned.
I've been listening to Christian music because my phone died, and
I like the beat. Oh. I thought the beat was about to drop, but.
me too. I was like, it's not over. Like,
Non-stop worship continues on your one.
oh god. I kind of forgot to record an outro, but here's a video of a train that I took. It was a good trip overall, and I had a good time with my friends.